Hello everybody. Thank you for your time and attention. One of these times, I know I'm really going to say something smart, something wise. Just got done watching the movie Catch-22, and I've got to say, it reflects, there's a lot of honesty in that movie, and I guess that's why they got to make it a comedy. Because if they told the truth any other way, people wouldn't believe it. I earlier was watching a video on Eisenhower's Rhine-Meadows camps after World War II and what was going on there. That was another one of those things where there's not many people that really understand the truth of the matter. And honestly, I've had some friends along the way that have let me in on some of the details of things that I don't want to repeat. And it seems like a lot of the times that evil is winning, stupidity is winning, and it could certainly be surmised that that is the case. But the reality is we've all got our own path, and I certainly don't want to contribute to any more disasters. I don't want to harm anybody anymore. I just want to try and live as peacefully as I can, and that's what I'm trying to do, and I'm certainly trying to bring that to the most number of people as I can, because there is a great deal of benefits in living peacefully.